This course falls square in the middle of the security event triage learning path. Continuous monitoring has the burden of catching anything and everything, but to do so requires data from every possible attack surface. Likewise, security event triage is categorized by data type analyzed, and this course is within the advanced section of the application data with a focus on web applications. The events found in the active Globomantics environment that it is your responsibility to protect in this course are pieces of a larger puzzle that have been unfolding in your inspection of other data sets for hacktivist and APT activity as you've walked through the different courses within the security event triage path. You are assuming the role of the Globomantics security analyst, leading the effort to implement all the new capabilities available in Security Operations Toolset in order to protect Globomantics' high-stakes robot operations and IP from the two known threats: the Human Resistance, a hacktivist group dedicated to disrupting the advancement of the perceived robotic overlord threat to humanity, and Strashnikovia, the technologically advanced nation-state looking to steal IP and potentially steal control or disrupt the robotic national defense services provided by Globomantics. The environment consists of multiple user subnets in the data center behind an internal firewall and also contains a DMZ, known as a demilitarized zone, hanging off the same internal firewall where the main web application services are served from. As often is the case, this web application is linked to a database inside the internal data center subnet and needs to be monitored, not only from the standpoint of availability, but also from the concern of this web service being used as an entry point from the public to the internal Globomantics systems. Getting into the mind of your adversary, attacking web applications or any publicly accessible application is so desirable because of the access these endpoints have deeper into the enclave. Often, the only traffic allowed from the DMZ to the databases is that traffic from a web application directly to the IP or set of IPs for the databases. And that's just the design and structure of web applications. They have to have access to not only what's considered the application layer, so we're presenting a web layer that's publicly accessible. There's then sometimes or always an application layer that contains the logic of the application, and then that has to be able to access a set of databases that is going to contain the data that the logic is then transforming. So the initial web application is a perfect point for the attackers to gain access and proxy in and out of an environment.